Hi everybody and welcome to Kodi Solutions. Well, I'd just like to introduce you to our website. It's called VPN For Kodi.com and it's going to show you everything all about VPNs for your Kodi, wherever location you are. As in some of these builds or add-ons that we have, the streams are going to be geo-blocked. So you're not actually going to get the full version of the add-on because some of the streams will be blocked. Now if you use a VPN, that will unlock it and put whatever location you want. Most likely the USA will be the best option for that. We also have ultimate Kodi guides. We also have builds, add-ons, everything in there that you might be interested in. It's all about VPNs. What's the 5 VPNs best for whatever you want? Gaming, Kodi, China, USA, it's all there. We also have Android APKs, very easy to download on here as well, and these ones are all the latest ones and all the best ones out there. Now, as a thank you to all our subscribers to the channel, I would like to just let you know that we're going to be giving away 4 Android boxes this week, and this is for anyone who will subscribe or anyone who's already subscribed has viewed any of our videos. And that's a big thank you to anyone. So we're going to try and push and get to maybe 50 or 100,000 subscribers. So let's just see how we can do. So your support would be really appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Hi everybody and welcome to Kodi Solutions. Well, I've got a great looking build for you, and this one's from Gentech, and this one's the version 1.0.4. Now it's about 550 megabytes, so capable for pretty much all devices. It should have no issues on that one. One thing I do like to see on here next time, I'm hoping that they'll put it on, is their new add-on as well. So look out for that. It's got loads of good content in there. I possibly will do a review on that in the next couple of days, but definitely worth a look out for. So let's have a look at this. First things first, you've got your thumbnails or widgets at the very top for your to go straight into your movies or your TV shows, depending on what you're looking for. So let's have a look on these. Just by case of just clicking on them, they'll take you straight through. And then you've got your other ones for your other TV. Okay, so pretty good. Let's have a look over at the movies. Very similar as well. So when you come into your movies, it's just a case of straight into your new ones, your Bennu movies, your Elysium, Steam Hub, Poseidon, Covenant and Wolfpack. So they've got some pretty good ones in there. Of course you've got your options for searching, 3D, 4K, Pyramid movies again on these ones, UK Turks, Showbox, Terrarium TV as well, especially if you're using an Android box, perfect. Then of course you've got your tracks, okay, very nice. Now this one's a case, some very simple case of just clicking on it and then selecting what one you want. Now as I have mentioned, and I don't know if anyone's actually read, there is some UK streams being blocked by UK IP internet service providers, so you can go bypass this by using a VPN, but that's your choice which one you want to use. Okay, so I do advise that you use one on all builds or all add-ons just to get the full potential out of that add-on as well. So on this one here, as you can see, we've got movies, we've got box sets. Always like to see this in a build. Always like to see these ones, and these ones as well. We've got Supremacy, Merlin, Woolpack, and of course at the top there, box set Kings, Pyramid, Maverick of course, No Name box sets, and of course UK Turks. Absolutely love that add-on. Got some great ones in your TV shows, as I said earlier. As you can see, shortcuts at the very top, or widgets as some people say, and then of course you've got your add-ons underneath, so you can just have a quick good shortcut straight to them. Of course you've got your TV networks, so if you're looking at something in particular, like say on Discovery or maybe Amazon or BBC or ABC, you name the channel that you're particularly like, any particular shows that are on there that you like, this is the place to come for you. Okay, of course got to have a kids zone in here. Now this one's a good family build as well. There's no adult content in there at all, so that's nice to see. Of course you've got your kids zone as in your cartoons, your Disney collections, your Bennu kids, everything like that. Match day, so if you're into Premier League, stuff like that, that's all here for you. Nice special category for that. And of course you've got your sports, so you have all your different sports add-ons, Supremacy, Pyramid, Oblivion, Major League Baseball, you name it, Sky Sports, BT Sports, everything's just across the top there as well. So if you want some shortcuts straight into it, you've also got them running across the bottom here as well. So just by clicking it away, there's quite a few to keep you occupied. A live TV and a TV guide as well on this one. It's nice to see. So if you've got your BBC iPlayer, iTV player as well, and if you want a TV guide, just in case you click on that, and then just give it a little bit of time. It's going to take some time to populate and load it up with data, okay, and then it'll come up with it. Now normally these you can change them between countries as well, so you can either have a UK one or a USA, things like that, and you can tailor it to how you want it. Okay, Now, as we know that just by clicking on here, in this case of clicking on that, and that should open up the program for you. And it's giving you a couple of choices. You can go, well, it's giving you a few more than a couple. It's giving you about half a dozen choices, so there's quite a few there to keep you ticking over. Music section on this one, of course, and it's got all the main players in there as well. As you can see across the top, all your Now albums up there, music source, jukebox, then you've got stream, Wolfpack, Merlin music, and of course Bob hits as well, so that's absolutely brilliant. Okay, got to have some of your own Bob Unleashed in here, as you can see, so that's all nice and straightforward. All your things for your documentaries, sports, you name it, they're there. Then of course Pyramid, an absolute stonking add-on, that's really good, and I like that one. But my favourite, this one here, UK Turks, got loads in there. I love the documentary section in there, very, very good. And of course the wizard. Now if you want to either add any extra particular add-ons, or maybe do a little bit of maintenance, or maybe update your Kodi, or update your build, this is the place to come. Now if you're using an Android box, it also has APK installer on here as well, so that's very nice to see. And it also has a retro gaming zone on here as well for you. So if you like your old Pac-Man or your Space Invaders, I'm sure that's going to be in there. Then of course you've got system, and that's just a case of adding extra add-ons. If you want, just go through File Manager, your profiles, your system information, changing skins, things like that, that's all in there. So as I say, it's around about 550 megabytes, this one in size. Pretty good size for a build. It's got everything on it, and hopefully they'll put their add-on in the next couple of days. That'll be nice to see. So there you go, it's called the GenTech build. Really, really nice looking build. If you like it, follow the video straight afterwards and we'll show you how to install it. Okay then everyone, I'm going to show you now quickly how we actually install this GenTech build. Now it's very, very straightforward. I'm going to use Kodi 17.4. So first things first, let's get straight over to settings. Okay, and that's this cogged wheel one in the middle. So just click on that and then come down to File Manager. Okay, now click on File Manager and then make your way over to the left hand side and click on Add Source. So just double click there. Now you're going to get this pop-up screen here which says None. Click on the None, and this is where you want to put your URL. So just type exactly the way I've done that. Same case, everything that you see on there. So that's just going to be http://gen-tech.co/gentechwiz. Okay, copy it exactly the way I got it typed in there, and you won't go wrong. Now if you have anything like nothing in a folder or everything's just blank, then you just go back and just check your typing, that maybe you made a mistake on there. Now when you've done that and you've got it already typed down, you can pause this point if you want. Once you've got that all down, come over and just click on OK. Now for some reason that's going to put GenTechWiz down in the bottom because it's just after the /. That's fine. Click on OK, and that now goes over to the left hand side, so that's all fine. Now come all the way back, backspace or click your home button, go all the way back to your home page. So this is where we're now back at the page of Kodi. Come down to Add-ons and then just click on it. Then you want to come up to the open box there and just click on there. Come down to Install from a zip file and highlight it and click on it. Now we're going to enable unknown sources, so we need to go over to settings and click on that. And as you can see, it's already highlighted unknown sources, so just click on that now. And the bar moves to the right, and we just want to type on yes. So just click yes there. Go back a step again. So we're now back to where we were there, and click on it one more time. Highlight GenTechWiz that we just made earlier, and just click on it. Now we want to go down to the new repo for GenTechWiz. So you'll see that there. Highlight it and just click on it. See repository GenTech 1.1.1. Highlight it and just click on it. Now just wait. It's not going to take long, and it'll just do its thing. Okay, so we'll just let that do its thing. There it is. 3 or 4 seconds that was, wasn't it? Once that's done, just go to install from a zip file. Sorry, go install from a repository, my apologies. Highlight it and click on it. Go to the GenTech repository, highlight it and click on it. Now if you're looking for their new add-on, that's going to be in video add-ons there, okay? That's one called StarTech, okay? But we're going to do the build, so we want to go to Program Add-ons and highlight that and click on it. Now we want to go to the Gentek Wizard, the very bottom, highlight that and just click on it. Now you're going to get this screen pop up here, so just click on Install and then let that do its thing, okay? Now I always say dismiss on here, that's just where I am on it, and I always click on continue there, and I always put ignore. I like to always come to the builds from Program Add-ons. Now that's all gone out the way and we're all back to there. Go all the way back to your home page. Okay, and now you're going to see the Gentek Wiz in its Program Add-ons. Come down, highlight it and click on it. Now you're going to get here, you're going to get builds, your maintenance and everything like that. Now we want to go to builds, so we highlight the builds, click on that, and then we just wait for that to come up. Now we're going to see here Gentek Build, Bandit Q Build, OTT TV, and then of course you got Jarvis ones there as well. The one we're going to do here is the Gentek Build. Highlight that one, just click on it. So just give it just a second or two. Come down to the very bottom, and I'm going to do a standard install because I've got nothing on my Kodi. So highlight that, and then I'm just going to click on it. And it said, would you like to download and install? Yes, I would. So yes, install, and that'll start the downloads. The 362 download. By the time you get extracted, probably looking around about the 540, 530, something like that. Okay. Now it won't take long to download. Just follow all the process of it. It'll say force close, things like that. Do exactly as it says. Give it a couple of minutes once your Kodi started. You'll have a nice looking build there for you. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel.